So we are required to factor the trinomial 5x squared minus 14x plus 3. Now, for us to factor this out, we are going to be multiplying the coefficient of x squared in the first term by the last term, just like I did in the previous example. So we can write 5x squared minus 14x minus 3. So by decomposition, 5 times minus 3, that is minus 15. So basically, we are looking for two terms such that when we add these two terms together to give us minus 14, and when we multiply the two terms together to give us minus 15. So we can consider the factors of 15. And what are those factors? That is 3 and 5. Then another factor we can consider is that 1 comma what 15. Now looking at 1 comma 15, we can modify it to fit into this. That will definitely be what plus 1 and minus 15. So 1 minus 15 will give us minus 14, and 1 times minus 15 will give us minus 15. So with this understanding, we can now substitute wherever we have minus 14x with plus 1 and minus 15, and it will give us 5x squared plus what 1x is the same thing as x, then minus 15x minus what 3. So we are going to factor this. And one unique thing about factoring is that when you do a correct decomposition here, whatever factor you have on this side will also repeat itself. But let's just do it. What is common to between this? That is x. We can factor x out. That will give us what? That will give us 5x, right, plus 1. How do I know x times 5x? 5x squared, x times 1. That is x. Now, what we are going to be having here basically will be 5x plus 1. So what we'll be putting outside will now be that will be minus 3 basically, because minus 3 times 5x, that will give us minus 15x, and minus 3 times 1 minus 3. This is made possible because what we decomposed here is correct. However, if we want to factor this separately, you will still get the same result. Okay, so since we have common factor here, so we can write as what 5x plus 1, because this and this are the same, then into brackets x minus 3. So that's the final answer. I want to believe this video has helped someone. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching my video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.